Hello friends, today I will show you how to make these snowflakes. I made these little snowflakes for my dresses, especially for the ones that I sell on Christmas. So to begin, go around your finger twice, bring this one to the front, now bring the other one, chain 2, 1, 2, now make 10 half double crochet on the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, make a single crochet on the next stitch right here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, single crochet. 1, 2, 3, skip 1, single crochet. So you should have a total of 5 chain 3 spaces. Right here at the end, a slip stitch on the very first chain from the beginning. Okay, chain 1. Now you will be working into the chain 3 spaces from the previous round. Make 1 half double crochet, now make 1 double crochet in the same space with picot stitch. To make the picot stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you go to the base of the chain 3 on the top of the double crochet, insert the hook, pull, and you can make like a single crochet right here, or you can go through the 2 loops. So I have the chain 3, insert the hook, pull, and right here you just go through the loop. That's optional, whatever you feel better doing. Now make a triple crochet or treble crochet, go through 2, go through the other 2, and the last 2. Again, make a picot stitch, 1, 2, 3, go to the base on the top of the triple crochet, pull. Now you have 2 loops and go through 2. I rather to make this kind of picot stitch, but it's up to you. You can make it how I did right here too. Again, 1 treble crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go to the base, pull, and go through 2. Now 1 double crochet with picot stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go to the base of the chain 3 to make the picot stitch. Okay, and the last one will be a half double crochet. So you have one half double crochet, a double crochet with pick out stitch, treble crochet, a treble crochet or triple crochet, however you call that one, and a double crochet right here, and the last one a half double crochet. So you will repeat this pattern in all the chain 3 spaces. You should have 4 remaining. So I will show you one more time. One half double crochet, one double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, go to the base to make the pickup stitch, one treble crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, pickup stitch, again one treble crochet, chain 3, one double crochet, 1 2 3, go to the base to make the pickup stitch, and the last one half double crochet. Okay, continue doing the same thing in the 3 chain spaces that you have. Okay, this is the last one. A slip stitch into the very first chain that you made at the beginning. And that's it. Then you just make a knot on the back, and you can use these snowflakes to decor anything, especially in the winter season. Okay, I may or may not have a written tutorial when you are watching this video, but please keep in mind that I made the tutorials and the written patterns at total different times, so they won't exactly match. However, they can be very helpful if you have any doubts how to continue either on the pattern or the video. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.